We'll guide you through how to make irregular shapes in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the taskbar search feature to find Google Chrome. Once the browser appears in the search results, open the Google Chrome application. After the browser launches, enter Figma into the search bar and click the official Figma website from the search results. Before continuing, ensure that you're already logged into your Figma account. For this tutorial, start a new project by clicking the plus design button on the dashboard. Once the file is created, the edit page of your project will open, displaying a blank canvas and the available design tools. To create irregular shapes, activate the pen tool by pressing the P key on your keyboard. Move your cursor to the canvas and click once to set the starting point of your shape. Next, drag your cursor to the location where you want to place the second point, then click again to create another anchor point. Continue clicking and dragging to add more points, gradually forming the outline of your irregular shape. Keep following the desired path until you return to the original starting point. When you reach the final point, make sure a small circle appears below the cursor before clicking. This indicator confirms that the path will close correctly, connecting the last point to the first and creating a complete enclosed shape. If you prefer a more natural drawing experience, instead of placing anchor points manually, you can switch to draw mode. In this mode, choose the shape creation tool that best matches your workflow. You can select between the pen, brush, or pencil tools depending on the type of shape you want to create. Before drawing, adjust the line color and stroke size if necessary to match your design requirements. Once the settings are ready, click and drag your cursor freely across the canvas to create custom irregular shapes. Continue refining your drawing by editing points or adjusting curves.